FTX is an excellent choice of crypto exchange for both newcomers to crypto as well as experienced traders for its low fees and a wide range of derivative and leverage trades. If you are a new trader and interested in this exchange, this video is for you. Today I will show you a detailed instruction on how to get the 2022 sign-up bonus on this exchange and how you can sign up and verify yourself to trade. Let's go! So what you want to do first is to click on the register link that we put in the description box down below. And basically by doing that, you can enjoy the 5% of our trading fees on FTX exchange. Then from here, you would want to fill in your email, confirm it, and then your password of your choice. Then click on agree to all the terms and conditions and create account. Then next, you will be requested to do the sliding puzzle that I'm doing right here. Click on create account again and you're good to go. After that, you will have to verify your identity. So as you can see here, there are 3 levels of KYC on FTX: unverified, level 1 and level 2. So for each level, you will have a different withdrawal limit. And depending on your needs, you can decide which level you want to be at. So now let's return to the website. So here you can see that there are 2 types of verification: individual, which is for your own use, and institution is for your business use. So for the first level of KYC, you are requested to provide all of your basic information right here. And for the SMS code, what you have to do is to fill in your number and then the code will be sent to your phone. You just need to copy the code and paste it back on the page. After filling all of your information, just click on submit information and you're good to go. So here, if you want to raise your withdrawal limit, you can continue to do level 2. So in level 2 KYC, you just have to submit your ID card information. Just click on start here. So as you can see here, after choosing your ID issuing country, you can select to submit either your passport, driver license or identity card. And then you will have 2 types of uploading method, which is continuing on your mobile or taking a photo using your webcam. So if your laptop or PC doesn't have a webcam, you can continue this step on your mobile. So you just have to click on it and then you will be given a QR code to scan with your phone camera. So just open your phone camera and then hold your phone in front of the QR code. And then there will be a link pop up on the top of the phone right here. You just click on the link and you will be led to the website where you can submit all of your document. So now you just need to take a photo of your ID document that you have chosen earlier. Then confirm that you have checked the photo that you submitted. And then next, you will have to do the face verification. So this step is for FTX to confirm that you are who you are in your document that you have submitted earlier. All you have to do is to hold your front camera in front of your face. Do whatever the app tells you to do. And then you just have to wait for the system to check your image quality and transfer of your data information to your desktop. So after that, you just have to click on submit information and you will be requested to confirm your full legal name again. Just click on yes and you're good to go. If you want to have more bonuses or to learn more about crypto, don't hesitate to like and subscribe to CoinF Master. Turn on the notification bell to always see our newest video. So next, in order to secure your account and of your transaction, it is really recommended that you should turn on your 2FA measure. So here from the home page, you just go ahead and choose the setting icon at the top corner and then choose security. And here in the account security table, you can see the 2-factor authentication tab. Choose the arrow button right here and then just click on switch to 2-factor authentication method. So by doing that, you can change your current 2FA method, which is SMS, to a higher security method, which is Google Authenticator. So from here, you just need to click on switch to Authy, and then FTX will give you an instruction detailing on how you can turn on your Google Authentication. So first step is to Google Authy and then download the app to your device. When you have reached the website of Authy, all you need to do is to click on download and choose the download version. Once the app has been downloaded, you just have to set up your Authy account. After filling your phone number, you just choose the type of verification that you want. Here I'm choosing SMS. Then a 6-digit code will be sent to my phone, and all I have to do is to copy and paste the code back on the page. Okay, now after setting up, you will have to add your FTX account to Authy. And to do that, you just have to scan this QR code or enter the setup key below to Authy. So what I'm doing here is just to copy the setup key and then paste it back on the app. Click on add account and then you can choose your account name and logo. Then you will see a 6-digit code running with a timer. And what you want to do is to copy the code and paste it back on the FTX website. Then fill in your SMS 2FA code, click on submit, and you're good to go. That's it. Easy, right? If you are looking for a complete walkthrough of any crypto exchange, check out the links below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CoinF Master because it's free. And turn on the notification bell because we have so much more crypto bonuses that we cannot wait to share with you. Goodbye for now and see you in the next video.